Hey everybody, today we are going to be doing something super fun. We are going to be making dragon eggs. And I figured Easter would be the perfect time to do it, like around Easter, so that it's easier to find an egg base. I'll get into that more when we start looking at supplies. But overall, it seems like it's relatively a cheap craft. Let's get right into the supplies. So the first thing I have are these foam craft eggs. It was $4 for the pack, so $2 each. And these are 2.8 inches by 3.6 inches. And personally, I think these are a really good size. And I've seen some foam eggs in like the egg crafting, egg decorating sections of quite a few stores, so I figured now would be a great time to make these. Next, you're gonna need thumbtacks, specifically the little flat ones. They're like kind of rounded, but they're the more flattened ones. And honestly, I don't know how many you're gonna need. I bought 200 of them because I have a big pack of 500 somewhere, but I have no clue where it is. Next, we have the paint. So I really wanted this color shift kind of look. And they make a lot of, like Folk Art makes a lot of color shift paint, but none of them had the effect I was looking for. I wanted this, but it is a top coat. So I assume that I'm gonna need to do a base coat. So I'm gonna do black as the base coat, this as the top coat. But if you just get an actual color shift paint, then all you'll need is that paint. I also recommend looking at like the LA Colors super cheap $2 nail polish at Walmart. They have a lot of really good color shift colors of that as well. Paintbrushes, of course, you can use whatever kind you think is gonna work best for you for this project, as well as something to put the thumbtacks in when you're painting them and to let them dry. So this is a board I made to package my enamel pins. I'll have the video linked in the corner of me making this, but it's literally just 2 pieces of styrofoam that was used for packaging candles that I duct taped together. So you'll just need something to stick the thumbtacks in while you're painting them and letting them dry. Okay, so I'm gonna start by painting the thumbtacks. Okay, so I have a little cup full of the painted and dried tacks. Okay, so here's our first egg, and we're gonna start on the bottom. So I'm gonna take my first tack, try to center it in the bottom as well as I can. We're gonna call that good enough. And then you're just going to want to make a circle around that first tack, and you want to make sure you overlap all of your tacks. Nice thing about this is it is a very forgiving craft. If you accidentally place one that is not close enough and there's a white space, you can just take it out and try to put it in there again. Okay, so we are finally done with this egg. I have 2 left, so I guess I only needed 4 more. So overall, I used somewhere between 370 and 380. So if you get an egg that is 2.8 inches by 3.6 inches or somewhere around there, pretty close to there, you're going to want to get probably a 400 pack of thumbtacks. Definitely look on Amazon because my 2 packs lasted till like about here. And luckily I had a bag of thumbtacks from Amazon. And now on this very last one, so obviously there's nothing like holding it in there because it doesn't have anything laying on top of it. There's no overlay tack to hold it down. So I'm just gonna put some glue on this tack and, you know, just glue that in there to hold the whole thing together. But this guy is so cool. On the camera here, it doesn't look the best because a lot of it's just reflecting white, but I'll definitely have better pictures and videos throughout the end here. But yeah, so that's our finished dragon egg. Took a little less than 400 thumbtacks. It's pretty sturdy feeling, but that is it for this video. Make sure to tell me in the comments down below what color you would make your dragon egg. Like this video if you like this little dragon egg idea, and subscribe to see more fun crafts like this in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.